So I'm thinking about London Underground, as you do, and at the same thing I thought with flying, I don't understand how we arrived at the concept of traveling underground. I don't see how we understood it might be possible. It doesn't really make sense. I suppose we would have found tunnels, and that might lead to some sort of understanding. It might be possible. And then we somehow conceived the idea of building trains to travel us underground. I'm wondering how early in the process the use of trains came into our understanding. I mean, it could have been that we just imagined walking through tunnels by itself, and then somehow we got the idea of doing trains. And I'm wondering why we thought of trains anyway. Why didn't we think of cars or trucks or whatever? Why did we conceive of rails and a train system? Because it's not obvious, I would say, to think of trains. Maybe someone looked at a worm and thought it might be useful somehow. It'd be interesting to look at the early days of the underground and what systems we had in place at the beginning. And of course, there's also submarines. Submarines that go under the water. Again, the concept is what I just can't understand how we arrived at the idea we could go under the water. It is incredible how we go under the water, under the ground, in the air, and then of course there's space. Now, I fail to understand how we could possibly understand about flying into space. How did we manage all of the issues with traveling in space? How did we do enough study to understand what would be necessary to travel into space? And then, of course, there's the moon landing. The thing that confuses me is that we had to solve so many problems that we had no direct knowledge of, no experience of these things. Yeah, we had to solve these problems despite never having encountered the situation. The forethought is just so incredible and so complete and so successful. To solve problems that you have no experience of is just incredible. Yeah, humans are pretty nifty, I would say.